Hi there, going to do a wee Dutch oven cook today. Chilli con carne, a non-tomato based one. It's not for now, it's for later, but I just thought I'd get it prepared and ready. So I'm just going to let the fire burn a little bit, get some embers in there. A few people have asked me about this. Can't quite remember what it was called. It was something like a wrought iron fire blower. I bought it off the internet in the UK, and you can use it to blow the fire. It's handy when you're getting the fire going, and keeps you away from the smoke. Plus you can use it to lift up your Dutch oven, move it about. It's not 100% the best for this because these are slightly cooled in a bit too much. If I could just have one side a little bit more open, then I could grab things a bit easier. I do a lot of outdoor fire cooking. I use all sorts of different implements, billy cans, barbecues, skillet pans, and also rocket stoves, and everything always tastes better cooked outdoors than indoors. The same dish, you know, it's just one of those things. To me, the Dutch oven takes it to another level. I thoroughly enjoy cooking with it. Some of the food that I've produced in this wee oven has been absolutely lovely, absolutely amazing. I really mean that. The roast chickens that I've done in this is, can't explain the taste. Just absolutely delicious. I had a roast chicken in this, and then a week later I had one that I did in the oven at home, and it's no comparison, to be honest. So I'm going to get started. A little bit of oil, and just put in some mince. Going to get some embers and get some heat underneath this today, and it's not going to be a big full pot of chili con carne, just for the two of us. So it's already started to sizzle now, and I've only just put it on. That's how good this cast iron Dutch oven is. So the meat is browned off, and I'm going to add some onion, some garlic and some pepper now. So I'm just going to cook that out for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add some black pepper, some cayenne pepper, is that how you say it? Some parsley, some cumin, and then I'm going to add some beef stock. Once the stock's in there, I'll put the lid on and cook it out for a while. And also some pinto beans, I think they were. That's the pinto beans. A couple of cans to really bulk that out, and that'll break up into the dish later. Finally, some beef stock. Just going to add a few chili flakes now. Get a little bit of heat in that. Well, that's dinner ready for tonight. I'll just have a little wee try. Such a simple way to cook. Straight away that's tasty. I'm just going to take that away from the fire now, put the lid back on and just let it cool down. It'll stay warm for another hour, hour and a half really, and then we'll reheat that tonight for dinner. It's tasty. So thanks very much for watching. See you next time.